all the leaders of the District 3150 or at least the Twin Cities, all the presidents and the district board is here. So, and also fellow Rotarians and guests. It's a pleasure to be here to talk to you all today, this in front of you all. I mean, this club is about 42 years old. I know, it's got a great legacy. And of course, we have here an example of Mr. Shekhawat here. He's been Rotarian for such a long time. If I didn't get to name, he's going to turn 89 years very shortly. So you have very senior members, and Mr. Prasad, who is also a charter member. So you have very senior members, and also you have very lot of young members. That's a great combination to have, because you have people who can guide you, and at the same time you also can, people who can work, because we need young and dynamic hands to work through it. So I wish, Nidhi has done great work last year, you and your team has done, though it's a small team, he said 21 members, but 21 members, but you have done umpteen number of programs, so giving an impact, giving a positive impact on the society. Whatever we could do, we have done. And of course, more number of people, you can do more projects and more energy to go with it. And congratulations to Amardeep, he's really chopped out all his program for the year. I think he just have to do what he wants to do it to create the magic. The hope which has been set up in the last year, and now we have the magic to complete all the projects completed. So one thing I would like to tell you, we have two new members inducted. So a membership into Rotary is like a passport to the world of Rotary. So once you are a member of any club, you can visit any club anywhere in the world, and of course you just talk to them, where they are meeting, and you can attend to them. So that is always welcoming. So anywhere you go in the world, you are always welcome. So it so happened when we went to Sikkim once, and all 10 Rotarians, we were staying in the hotel. Then we said, is there any Rotary club close by? Then the reception fellow said, no ma'am, our owner of this hotel himself is a Rotarian. And the magic of Rotary works, and he came immediately the next day and he said, we'll have a joint meeting with you, and all hosted by us. So we had a joint meeting with the Sikkim club. So that's what happens. You are a member of a Rotary, anywhere you go in the world, you are welcome, and you find people of similar thinking. See, we all have people, you all are leaders in the different professions, in your own professions, and doing great work. And what is common between all of us is we like to do something to the society, we like to give something to the, we have that mindset, so we have people thinking of the same kind, so we are together. So that's a great, so another aspect of Rotary is fellowship. That's very important. Once you come to Rotary, you really, there's so many friends you have. So one advice to the club is you should have a particular date, set date, to have your meeting, and a set place also. So when you have Thursday, you have a Thursday meeting, then people should be going to the temple or Sai Baba temple. Come Thursday, it's the Rotary meeting, or come Saturday, it's the Rotary meeting. So people have that set mind, so you don't miss the meeting. So anytime you say, okay, first Saturday or fourth Saturday, we are going to have the Rotary meeting. So that helps that people come together, you have great commitment takes place, great collaboration takes place, and you can do work. I'm sure even Amardeep is actively participated in last year, and he knows what's happening, and I'm sure you'll take the legacy forward and create more hope in the thing. And one thing I would like to tell you is about the Rotary Foundation, which is the backbone for